Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're trying to up your step count, then this mini stepper from Amicus may be the answer. What I really like about this is how lightweight, portable, and small it is. It does not take up a large footprint, and you can easily move it from room to room. I also like how quiet it is, so you're not going to disrupt if you're stepping on this at the office or maybe while somebody else is watching TV. It's very quiet. You can adjust the height and resistance with this dial, so you can adjust it for however challenging you want it to be. It also comes with these resistance bands that you can attach, so you can get a leg workout and an arm workout all at the same time. It has a great little monitor right here, so it will tell you how many steps you're at, how long you've been walking, how many calories you've burnt, and how many reps per minute. So all really insightful information. It comes with a little rug that goes under so that it stays in place and it doesn't mark up your floors. It's got a nice cushiony handle. A lot of the steppers I've seen are just the stepper, but the fact that this also has the handle makes it really nice. You have that extra little bit of stability. It's also height adjustable. So if you're looking for a piece of exercise equipment that will help you get your steps in, give you a little bit of a challenge, but be easy to take from room to room wherever you need it, I think you'll really like this one, and that's my point of view.